Okay, this is Elsie. She's 15-week-old Red Sable German Shepherd female. She's in our puppy raiser program, doing great in her new home. Learning to ride in the car nicely, crate nicely, travel nicely. You bark? Good. Working on a lot of behaviors. This is typical for our puppies in our program. We got good targeting, which leads to flashy obedience. Heeling, fast sits, fast downs. All that stuff comes very, very quickly with a dog with a good drive, attitude, and early development. Right. Yeah, you're excited. We work on a lot of behaviors, same as with all our puppies. Shaping techniques create a high level of intelligence because it forces the puppies to think. We're not doing this work for them. If they don't think, they're not going to earn the rewards. And consequently, we move forward very, very quickly. This puppy's out of Pepsi and Dirk. A very nice breeding of Prufenpuden bloodlines. She's got good protection drives. Super nice spirited obedience. Good. Sit. Down. Sit. Shake. Good. So we got quite a few behaviors working with Elsie, and it's just going to get better and better as we go along. Up. Okay, that's a little bit about Elsie.